Hi everyone, I'm Jonas's Block and welcome to another episode of Boxmining. And today we're going to look at the ups and downs in the crypto space in the last week in just under 2 minutes. Let's get started. A16Z and Solana invest in Phantom Wallet. The Solana Foundation, Jump Capital, Variant Fund, DeFi Alliance participated in this round. On a devastating turn, the Rune price slides after THORCHAIN hack drained 4,000 ETH. Jack Dorsey, CEO of both Twitter and Square, tweeted that Square is building an open developer platform that allows the sole goal of making it easier to create non-custodial, permissionless, and decentralized financial services. Previously, he said Square is developing a hardware wallet for Bitcoin. What do you think about this? Let us know and leave a comment below. The cryptocurrency exchange BINANCE announced last Friday that it is ceasing the trading of its stock tokens. Users of Binance.com will no longer be able to buy stock tokens, effective immediately. This comes the same day after Hong Kong's SFC warned about Binance's unlicensed investment services. China's e-commerce giant Alibaba is listing art and real estate NFTs on its TAOBAO shopping festival for the first time. You've heard about FTX, right? No? Well, the crypto derivatives exchange, FTX, has raised money at an $18 billion valuation. It's also the largest private equity round in the cryptocurrency industry's history. On the other hand, Hong Kong's fintech company, FUSANG Group, is launching its IPO. The company's shares are directly recorded on the blockchain as blockchain native shares. Hey, hey, hey! Have you heard of Hey Hey, the cute rabbit, as part of HALODAO? Well, HALODAO gets support from us, Genesis Block, as an on-ramp, off-ramp partner, with a mission to make cryptocurrencies accessible to all. HALODAO's partnership with Genesis Block will now enable everyone to send and receive digital Hong Kong dollars to family, friends, business partners, suppliers, and in fact, anyone they choose across the world. The crypto market has gone down the past week. However, as of writing this, Bitcoin is back at trading around $32,000, ETH is around $2,000, and Solana is trading at 26. And that's all for this week's Cryptos in a Nutshell. We'll see you again next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.